Shouldn't have touched. Frick. Shouldn't have touched. Shouldn't frick have touched. Shouldn't have touched.
So yeah, you'll see in a minute. Hold on.
Frick. Shouldn't have touched.
It's disappointing. Very frustrating. Very aggravating. I got Apple earpod things. Anyway, frustrating. Very disappointing when you realize you have fucked up. Not a little bit. Big.
Frick. Shouldn't have touched.
Disregard the thumb. Probably should have stuck that in my mouth and, you know, instead of touching things that don't need to be touched.
Shouldn't have touched.
I should have just like left it alone.
Shouldn't have touched.
So I should have left it alone.
Shouldn't have touched.
I wanted to paint and primer the inside because it looked like shit.
Shouldn't have touched.
No hands, no dick beaters. Keep your fingers off because it is now a big mess. Not too big, but it's just enough to piss you the oh well.
Shouldn't have touched.
You fuck up, you fuck up. Admit it, fix it, move on. So,
shouldn't have touched.
what do you do? What do you do when you fuck up? Fucking god damn, fuck this out. Ah, fuck. I was trying to get this ring inside here on there. Look, it fucking, I taped this son of a, it fucking went around the bloody tape. Sorry for the profanity, but Jesus, son of a goat sucking son of a, look at it. It went,
Shouldn't have touched.
me, I get to do it again. Not the whole thing. Thank Christ. I can do this and I can do that section over there. And like, thankfully it did nothing bled through there. Because what I was trying to prevent was the gray primer spraying out the front. So I was being proactive. I didn't do a good job over there. I need some more. But
Shouldn't have touched.
me, I am not putting any more bloody ass paint on this thing. Now that I've already messed it up and it's like frick me in the afternoon. Bone me over a fucking pile of corn cobs. Jesus, Murphy. How would you like to have done that and now messed it all up? Look at that dog loving shit. Someone get me a gun so I can... Oh, it even did it there. You son of a... Maybe I can get away with light sanding it there. I did put some... I put a fair bit of no, well, I mean, when it doesn't focus, it looks awesome. Does that mean you're looking with the eyes of a blind man when it doesn't focus? Of course, it's swinging away. It's like a soft dick in the wind. Frick me. I can't believe it did that. And I look, I did tape it. This is painter's tape because you don't want to put good Harvey stick down there and never come off tape on there. Because then when you rip the tape off, you rip the paint off. Well, I didn't want to rip
Shouldn't have touched.
the paint off. God loving son of a goat sucker, like frick, and then it does that. For Christ's sakes. Like shit. Yeah, it got it over there too. Both square vent holes are like, well, yeah, and it didn't even get good coverage in there either. It's like, yeah, the whole paint job just went, yeah, frig you.
Shouldn't have touched.
Christ's sakes.